Welcome to my channel. Today we review what needs to be changed on field for Manchester United with the new coach Ruben Amorim coming in. The incoming Manchester United new head coach Ruben Amorim took charge for one final game for the Portuguese champion Sporting at Braga. They were down 2 goals for good in the first half. They came back storming in second half, equalized and added two more to win an incredible game for Sporting. 4-2, extending their lead in the Premier League. While Amorim waits his work visa formalities to complete and take charge at Manchester United, we review what Amorim needs to do to get Manchester United up and running back as a force once again. As far as the reinforcements are concerned, we could expect one or two during the January transfer window, especially if there are no goals forthcoming and potentially a change in the middle of the park as well. Defensively, Manchester United are set up very well with the injury-related players like Luke Shaw and Tyrell Malacia expected back soon. Manchester United have a pretty good unit who can deliver what is needed week in and week out. Just the principles of how that needs to be done has been completely missing. This needs to be reinforced along with an attacking play style, something Manchester United has been known for over the years. Amorim would like to change the formation to a 3-4-3, an attacking minded setup and defensively very sound. Let's look at the few areas that we could see Manchester United adapting with a new head coach. A very clear structure leading to a style of play. There is a need to change the structure, the style, and this needs adoption by the players. The sooner they can, better will the results be for Manchester United in all competition. Amorim will use a 3-4-3 setup. He's used it in Sporting and prioritizes high pressing, a proactive football possession, and playing from the back. Manchester United defense will be key here, the foundation for playing from the back. Manchester United are strong this season with the addition of Delight and Mazraoui, coming off from some solid performance lately as well. Manchester United needs a tactical revolution in the midfield. This was a gap in the whole setup last 2 seasons, and Eric Ten Hag visibly suffered. Manuel Ugarte was an anchor in Amorim's two-man midfield, and he could once again be the anchor man for him in Manchester United. Ugarte in the last 2 games showed exactly this and how important he can be with his interceptions and tackles. The strike force is good shape with young Rasmus Højlund leading from the front, minus the goals he needs to get from Manchester United. Højlund could fit in very well into Amorim's structure. With his pressing, direct runs, he will get goals sometimes. Lastly, Marcus Rashford, after his hugely successful season with more than 30 goals, he was just excellent those 2 seasons. Since then, he's just been a shadow of it for Manchester United. With Amorim's structure and shape, he should regain his form and start to deliver. Ruben Amorim will take charge of Manchester United for the away game against Ipswich Town, who are high and after they recorded their first win of the season against the high-flying Spurs. Well, that's it from my side. Please provide your comments, like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such reviews. Until next time, take care.